Peace, y'all. It's Chef Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and welcome to the Soul Food series.
So with the burger, you can cut it in half, and then the sauce, mix it up.
Now streaming on all TV streaming platforms, Apple TV, Roku, etc. New episodes every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, teaching you about that mind-body-soul connection through yoga and meditation, plant-based living. Our prayers have been answered already. So grateful. This is for you.
Oh, thanks.
We so blessed.
Get into it.
We gonna be cooking in the kitchen using food as medicine. So perfect. Like, wow, the Trinity. 1, 2, 3. We gonna make a quick and easy cucumber salad. Cauliflower chive biscuit brunch sandwich. All plant-based. We are getting back to source, getting back to nature. Plant-based cinnamon rolls. Taking this stone to crack the shell of the almond open, because nature just provides everything for us in abundance, y'all. Food is consciousness, remember. It is now time for us to get back to nature, taking our health and wellness into our own hands. So be sure to tap in every Thursday, 7 p.m. and tell a friend. System, the processed foods, McDonald's. Why is there a McDonald's on this island? Why is there a Wendy's? Why is there fast food here when the land is producing all of this goodness for us? The land is producing all of our medicine. Peace, y'all. It's Danielle, and welcome to Let's Talk Food. Today we're talking about this cinnamon apple crumble. Lord have mercy. Ooh. Oh my gosh, she's perfect. Oh my goodness, the ice cream is melting all beautifully. Tune in to learn how to make this beautiful, one-of-a-kind creation. Okay, so we have a cinnamon apple crumble coming up. For the recipe, we're using 7 red apples here, half a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs, 1 cup of muesli. It's a mixture of oats, raisins, sunflower seeds, 2 homemade banana cranberry muffins. I'm literally adding this to the recipe. So this is about to be a one-of-a-kind dish. Then we have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 tablespoon of nutmeg. So for the topping, the crumble, we have our half a cup of muesli. That's the raisins, sunflower seeds, oats, barley, dates, a rich mixture of grains and dried fruit. This is the type of chocolate we need to be eating every single day, the most raw form of chocolate, raw cacao, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we're gonna have our 1 cup of muesli. By the way, if you don't have muesli, that's okay. You can do a half a cup of granola and a half a cup of oats, or 1 full cup of oats, or 1 full cup of granola. You don't have to have the muesli. You can replace it and make it your own. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. Ooh, this is about to be so good, y'all. You know when you're just creating and you're in the middle of creating something, you just know it's just gonna be legendary. And then we have our homemade muffins. And I'm so excited about this because who makes a dessert topping, right, with already homemade, with love, muffins, using it as an ingredient to make a better ingredient? Like, what? I'm like really sitting here thinking about it. Like, what? This is one thing I really love about cooking and just freestyling in the kitchen, is I really have the opportunity to tap into my creativity, infinite creativity. So these muffins, when I made them, they were their own experiment, they were their own experience. I freestyled it, and so I'm using it instead of letting them go to waste, being sustainable in the kitchen and just using them again to make something else. Alright, so we have all the crumble ingredients in here, and we're about to give it a quick pulse. So you're really just pulsing it little by little to get all those ingredients blended.
Shake it up.
Shake it up a little bit, baby. Okay, so one thing I really love about the Vitamix blender is this tool here, because I can go like this. So you can see the sunflower seeds, you can see the oats, you can see the chunks of my banana bread too, but that is going to smooth itself out the more we blend and pulse. Yes, yes. We have our crumble topping here. It's complete. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Whew. And cut these up. They're so cute and tiny. Look at them. This is really... Actually, we can even cut this up a little bit smaller. It's like a lot of times when I'm cooking too, when I'm freestyling, making something for the first time or making something that I've made before but I want to make it a little bit differently, I just allow myself to just be free and freely create. It's going to be perfect every time. Apple. Here we are, we can throw these out. Actually, the turtles love this. I'm going to go ahead and rough chop this one more time. Frequency. Need to get my elbow in there. It's the elbow.
Teach us something.
Okay.
That elbow, you see it.
I'm going to go ahead and rough chop this one more time. And I'm going to put in this bowl here. Preheat your oven to 333 degrees. Here is your mid-episode divine message. Angel number 333. This is a message from your ancestors, your angels, and the ascended masters, letting you know that they are here with you, that you are fully supported, letting you know that they are here protecting you, guiding you. You are never alone. Angel number 333 also reminds us of the power, the balance, and the harmony that exists through the connection of our mind, body, and spirit. You are exactly where you need to be. Know this. And turn on your stove to medium. Okay, so our saucepan is hot. We are going to add our 7 small apples. Half a cup of maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Yes. Little fun fact, cinnamon increases abundance. Cinnamon represents abundance, prosperity, all of that. So we're just infusing this dish with abundance and prosperity. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon, I said a 1/4 tablespoon earlier, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give it a little bit of a stir. We're gonna turn this heat up just a little bit to 8, in between medium and high. Let that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Woo! It's starting to smell nice.
I know. Oh my god.
Oh Lord.
Oh my.
Oh Lord.
Oh my goodness.
Oh Lord. It's the cinnamon, man. It's the cinnamon for me. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Woo. It smells so good. It's cooking so evenly. Come on, this is perfect. So this is the perfect amount of maple syrup in here. It's not too watery. It's kind of cooked those apples down, and we're gonna take these beautiful cooked apples, those beautiful apples in your cast iron skillet here. We have our crumble here, our beautiful crumble topping. This is alchemy. Food alchemy. Okay. So I didn't use all of it. I have a little bit left. But you can use as much as you want or as little as you want. This is your beautiful creation. So we have our cinnamon apple crumble, putting it in the oven. And we're gonna let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm about to pour over 1/4 cup of maple, just a little bit more. Grab your favorite vegan ice cream. Give them a couple scoops on top. What? A couple scoops on top? Yes. This is beautiful.
It looks like a smiley face.
I'm so grateful. It's giving me gratitude. This is giving me gratitude. This is giving me love with this strawberry swirl.
Got you.
I like to be extra, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some more. There's a little bit more cacao nibs on top, because why not? And some toasted coconut flakes as well, because why not? Couple blueberries on top. That's our final product. Okay, so now we're done.
Millie rocking my spoon.
Woo! Millie rock with your spoon. Okay, so you are about to dive deep into a cinnamon apple crumble. Take in the aromas. This literally is aromatherapy, infused with love, abundance, and prosperity. So keep that in mind when you take your first bite, okay? Man, dig in.
Where does one start with such greatness?
Woo! Where do you start?
You didn't dig deep, my brother.
You gotta get into it.
All of that. All of it.
Don't waste nothing. Can we get
Take them glasses off.
Woo. Woo. Woo, it's lit. It's lit, it's lit. I can't see it's lit. It's lit.
It's good.
It's good, it's lit. I'm gonna have another one because it's good. And the crumb is so delicious.
How does it make you feel?
It's not even hot right now.
It's good.
This is worth the wait.
Vegan, right?
This is all vegan, all plant-based. What did you say?
It's worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
Oh, she had you waiting?
Yes.
I was down.
He was impatient.
I was like, yo, when's it gonna be done? I'm not playing.
Yo.
It's about to be an avalanche. The ice cream's about to fall in, but I'm not gonna let it because I need some of it.
Yes.
For the rest of the half, this is good. Y'all need, look at this.
And this is all vegan, you said?
All vegan. Plant-based.
Where can I get this from?
That's a key line.
Oh yeah, you need to taste.
Is this an
I know,
experiment?
but
Did the recipe call for strawberry or tiramisu?
It called for whatever your favorite ice cream.
Okay, so you can pair this with any ice cream basically?
Yes.
Nice.